Hey guys, double wide 6, and today I'm going to show you a pretty sweet tool. It's my nail cannon. It's great for removing nails. Gotta tell you, there is not a better way to store your air tools. I built this thing. You'll see a link at the end of this video if you're interested in building the gun rack. Check it out. This is 1.5-inch rough sawn oak from a pallet with rusty nails. This is the exact same oak board. Now we're trying it by hand. Red oak. One-inch thick red oak. Alright, let's try something delicate like this piece of baseboard. This tool will do down to, I think, 18 gauge nails. These are about 15 or 16. So there you have it, guys. Got the nail cannon. It's all aluminum, really lightweight. You can do pallets, reclaimed wood, trim, whatever you want. You can adjust your compressor regulator to set it for what you want. I'll put a link down in the description. Don't forget, you saw it here first, double wide 6. Hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Take care.